Hey, this is Lindsay with WTI, and this is Lily's favorite pet bed. This is from Fida, and both of us absolutely love it. Let me tell you why. We've been using this pet bed in our puppy's crate, but really this is the perfect pet bed for any place in the house. Take a look at these high quality materials that Fida used. I'm really impressed. Not only inside, but outside, they really took care to use high quality materials like this plush and tweed that really give it a beautiful look. This foam is a great support for our 35-pound puppy, and I know it will continue to support her. The fact that you can take the inserts out and wash the cover is something that for me is a game changer. It's still a dog bed and does need to be washed, and so you can take this insert out and easily wash the whole thing. If you're looking for a pet bed that's both high quality and awesome durability, and that you can clean when you need to, I highly recommend this Fida pet bed. But that's just our point of view.